This is a brand new 2013 Toyota Avalon. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include heated seats, an 8-speaker stereo system, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: cruise control, a rear window defroster, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, heated side view mirrors, and an automatic climate control system. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.